Let me know where you're watching from, everybody. Good morning. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the desert and welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal, episode 257 in the desert with beautiful Coach 1221 behind me. There it is right there. We're going to take a quick look at it. We've got the slides in. So we're going to look at what that H3 double slide looks like with the slides in. And then we're going to go, stick with us because we're going to drive around beautiful marathon, we're going to drive around beautiful Motor Coach Country Club here in Indio, California. And we are going to stop at Coach 1212, which is a triple slide that just got polished, that looks beautiful and is ready for the next owner. All right. Oh, Bruce is in Omaha. All right, all right, all right. Let's flip it around here. I'm going to take a look inside. Look at that reflection of the palm trees in Coach 1221. Now, 1221 is a consignment, you guys. It is ready. I'm just going to show you a brief shot of it. Isn't that nice? 1221 is for sale. This has a really nice floor plan. 2 recliners, a sofa, really nice L-shaped dinette, and then you've got a large closet in the midship of the coach. Beautiful shower, king-size bed in the back. We're going to be bringing you a different video with it all blown out so you can see it completely, but stay tuned for that. This is Coach 1221. All right. We're going to lock it up there. We're going to get on the bike. We're going to ride around a little bit and stay with us because we're going to go look at Coach 1212, which is for sale. You're all right, my man. You are all right. Look at those guys. All right. Wherever you're watching from, I am down in the desert at what they say and what I agree with is the nicest RV park in the nation, perhaps the world. Motor Coach Country Club has so much for the owners to experience. It's just a great place. All right, let's get it. You want to see a really nice coach, 1314. Really nice marathon right there. Isn't that beautiful? That is a really nice coach. I'm going to switch hands on you guys here. And we're going to go ahead around the park, and then we're going to go check out Coach 1212. All right. One of the things I always like to say about Motor Coach Country Club or Outdoor Resorts Indio right across the street, or up the block, Desert Shores, the 3 parks here in about a 2-block radius, is that if you're looking to buy an RV, whether it be a Marathon or any other brand, no better research can be done than at a park like this. You've got over 400 lots and a lot of owners that love to talk about their coaches. It's a couple. Here's a nice marathon right here. Look at that guy. So the thing is, you can come here, you can see all these coaches. I'm gonna come up here on Prevo Point, as Jimmy First would say. call it Prevost Point because there's several of them, including that beautiful X3 right there. All right. Another thing that you can do research on is SUVs and golf carts. Man, I tell you, every SUV under the sun is down here. And every golf cart. It's Monday morning at Motor Coach, and so there's a lot going on. Everything from contractors to a crew washing coaches. But it's just a great setting and a very nice community. We're almost to the Marathon double lot. You've seen it before if you've been a Marathon Monday watcher. But it's always nice to get out on the bike and show you a portion of the park. It's going to be about 80 degrees, maybe a little bit higher down here today. That's Coach 1038. Which is a pending sale right there. And then Marathon Coach 1212. Take a look at that paint job, you guys. We're gonna get around here and give you a better look at it. Marathon Coach 1212 is an H3 triple slide, 2014. Just under 100,000 miles. Well taken care of. Beautiful coach. Let's get a look at the exterior of 1038. And then just because we're live and we can do what we want because there are no rules, according to Fraggle Rock, look at these beautiful flowers. Look at that. Well done. All right, let's go in 1212. This coach is for sale, and I'm going to tell you right now, if you know the what's going on in the RV industry right now, including and most notably the Prevost conversion industry, not a lot of coaches. I see Jim and Joanne are watching. Just went by your lot, showed your beautiful coach. Headed up on Prevost Point up there. But this is 1212. 2 slides in the front. 2 recliners on the curb side, jackknifing sofa on the driver's side, L-shaped dinette with a good galley, hardwood floors back to the bedroom. Bedroom has carpet. But this is a really nice coach. And like I was getting ready to say, the thing that's going on in the Prevost conversion industry right now, they're selling, and they're selling very quickly. So if you see a coach that you want, if you see a coach that fits your needs and checks the boxes or most of the boxes, you need to jump on it. Sub-Zero refrigerator, galley. Very, very nice. Spacious bedroom. This is nice. It's got a closet in the rear. Storage above and below the bed. Coach 1212 is a really nice coach. I turned on the accent lighting in the water closet so you could kind of see. Isn't that nice? H3 triple slide 2014 marathon coach 1212. It is for sale. This is a consignment. We just had the exterior paint corrected and polished. Man, it looks beautiful. Yeah, this is a good choice. Beautiful coach. I'm down here for the week, everybody. If you're looking to get into a marathon, I know a lot of you are going to that Prevost show out in Florida, or at least you're following what's happening out there. If you are and you're traveling there, I know it starts, so be safe, have fun. Say hi to the marathon crew out there. We got our national sales director, Michael LeBrosser. He's out there. Go say hi to those guys. And if you're looking to get into a marathon, email me, malw@marathoncoach.com. That is Coach 1212. All right, be yourself and do good things. I'm down here for the week. If you want to see these coaches, come and take a look. Let me know. We could do it. I'll be here at Motor Coach Country Club, Desert Shores, or Outdoor Resorts Indio all week long. All right, everybody, I'm going to get out of here. Let me turn it around so you can see me one more time. I don't know why, but here we are, right? It's my honor to bring you the show. Take care. Be yourself. Do good things. See ya.